So everybody, thought we'd check out this 23andMe. Got it for Christmas. Welcome to you. Let's see how we do this. Alright, so I'm going to remove the outer sleeve. And it looks like we have a little box. And you got a kit inside, and we get a little, hi, let's get started. Tube and goodies. Just want to show the number so you can see. There's a spit tube, a bag for sending it back. I know they use your spit. I thought it was going to be like scratch the inside of your cheek. Get little instructions. Basically, it's telling me no food or drink for 30 minutes, which I haven't drank anything since I've gotten up. So that's good. We have to spit in this thing, in the test tube, up to this fill line. Let's see if I can get you guys to see it. Yep, there it is. And, well, let's do this. Now, I just want you to know, the test tube you're filling does not go all the way to the bottom. It's just a section in the middle here that you're filling. So it's about, I don't know, maybe less than an inch deep. So not too bad. Well, this is fun. I think I got it to the fill line. So when you get it to your fill line, yay, you want to close this. Close and seal the top on it, funnel. Then it says to detach funnel, which unscrews. Alright, so you just got to screw this little cap on, nice and tight. Shake the cap tube for 5 seconds. Okay. You have to put it in the bag. Now there's a little absorbent pad in here. You don't want to take that out, it says. Put your sample in. Peel to expose adhesive. And then seal, which we just did. We are sealed. Biohazard. When you close this, there's a special chemical liquid in here that mixes with your saliva. That's why you're shaking it. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys about that. Right, so I put it in the bag in the box. There's a nice little spot for it. And then there's an adhesive strip across the top here that and stick it on there. And they've already put the return postage on here for you. So now your mailing kit is all set to go. And that is, I guess, what you do. Now, with the app, of course, they will alert me that my test results are done and my DNA analysis is available for my review. So thanks for joining me. I will do an update on what the results are, of course. I can't wait. I'm a little nervous, too, at the same time, because I'm like, I don't know. But it's kind of cool to find out what my bloodline is, what my ancestry is, if I'm possibly related to anybody famous or not, it's fine. But it's pretty exciting. Well, thank you for joining me for the 23andMe. And I'll see you guys soon. I am Mr. Shields, and that's Mr. Shields to you. Have a great day. Bye. Alright, we're gonna mail this. If it fits. Yay, it fit.